Hey, welcome to Loadero tutorial. In this video, we'll take a closer look how to write a simple script for your Loadero test. Let's jump right in. When you create a new test in Loadero, it has an empty test script. The scripting language is defined by the language selected for the project. In the previous videos, we created the JavaScript project, so the script will also be written in JavaScript. A test script in Loadero is a web UI automation script that uses Selenium and can be written in JavaScript, Java, or Python. The script should be written to simulate what the actual users of the application are doing, so that the performance measurements are relevant and load generated during the load testing is similar to the real life. There is just a single test script in Loadero, which is executed by all test participants. You can make participants do different user journeys by using Loadero variable in your test script. But for this example, we'll not do that. The first thing you see is Loadero's script function definition, which is different for every language. This test is written in JavaScript, so you see a single arrow function with client parameter. It is crucial that your script is written as a single function, as all of the user actions have to be defined inside this function's body. A small side note, all of the code that will be written can be found in this video's description. For this example, we'll create a test for Jitsi Meet demo call by opening meetings URL that has been created before. Every participant in this test will start the test by visiting this particular URL. The next step will be for the user to input the username, but before we do that, we should give some time for the page to be loaded. You can use pause command for this, but such approach will result with participants waiting for longer than is actually required. The better practice is to use wait for element visible command. For this command, you have to provide two arguments: element selector that you expect to be visible and the timeout. The timeout defines the time frame in which the element has to become visible. If it doesn't become visible, the test immediately fails. Otherwise, the test execution continues. Now we have to input the username itself. We'll use setValue command for this, and we'll just input user. The same command can be used for inputting login and password for automating login process in your test, or anything similar to that. It is a good practice to add wait for element visible command before interacting with any element to make sure it is properly loaded and is actually visible. So let's also add wait for element visible function call before set value. Now we need to make our test participants to join the meeting by clicking the join meeting button. For that, we'll use click command with the button selector as the only argument. One common way to additionally validate that the test participant successfully executed the test scenario is to take screenshots during the test. That way, you can see participants' behavior in the results report. It is also a good practice to take screenshots on all important steps of the test. To do that, in JavaScript project, you have to use Loadero's custom command, take screenshot. For this command, you have to provide the only argument, which is the name of the screenshot itself. Now we want the test participants to stay in the call for some time to simulate connection between participants. To do that, we'll use pause command and define the wait time in milliseconds. To make our test more insightful, we'll take two more screenshots, one during the call and one before the test ends. So we're going to use the same commands as we have previously used. First, another screenshot, then 30 seconds pause, and then another screenshot at the end of the test run. That's it for today. Thank you, have fun testing, and see you in the next one.